What you're seeing is not slow motion. All we have here is a hose connected to a bucket and attached to a speaker. And through the speaker, we're playing a note. Somehow, all this is making the water look like it's floating in midair in these weird S shapes. What is going on? Here we have something even simpler, a bicycle wheel. And now I'm going to spin it. It looks like the spokes are going around at a much different speed than the piece of red tape that's glued on the outside. So what's going on here? And how is this related to the motion of the water that we just saw? In both cases, we have periodic motion, motion that repeats at regular intervals. In our setup with the water, the speaker moves up and down periodically to produce a sound. Because the hose is attached to the speaker, it also moves up and down. This shakes the water, which, as it falls, draws S-shapes in the air. The bicycle wheel also moves periodically. It goes around and around at regular intervals. So what is so special about periodic motion? Well, periodic motion can do strange things when you try to record it or observe it. When you look at something moving, your brain cannot catch the movement at every single moment. Instead, you piece together a bunch of separate images. To you, the motion looks smooth and continuous, but your brain skips some of the motion that happens between those images. This happens with cameras too. A camera takes about 30 pictures a second, but again, if something happens between two shots, you will not see it. So, if we're recording the bike wheel as it rotates, the camera doesn't capture the wheel in every single place it goes. Instead, it captures a single shot every once in a while. The wheel goes around, and we get a shot here, a shot here, a shot here. And if we only saw these shots, we would think, hey, the thing is barely moving. The wheel is in just about the same place in each picture, but there is a lot we've missed. Similarly, when we see the bike spokes going slower than the rim of the wheel, or backwards, it is really because we have only captured parts of the motion. If those shots are timed just right, then they might make it appear to be going slowly forward or slowly backward. The same happens with the water. It is constantly pulsing up and down, but it could look like it's going forward, or standing still, or going backward, depending on what parts of the motion we capture. But all of this is because sometimes things in life move just a little too fast to see it all.